Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. For today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieve my everyday glam using no foundation, just concealer. So let's get into it. So I'm actually recording on my Osmo Pocket 3. Let me know if you guys like this quality or I should revert back to my original camera. So yeah, just let me know. So today I'm doing a pretty simple makeup, no foundation, just concealer. And yeah, first I'm going to go with my Niacinamide. This is the Yummy Skin Glow Serum. It's a primer. It does have a lot of glow to it. It just gives your face like a super nice dewy look. 9 times out of 10 when I do my makeup, it's always matte. Today I really want to look dewy and have a nice fresh glow. And this primer definitely helps with that. You can already tell how nice my skin is looking just by applying that primer. So today I'm not doing any foundation. First I'm going to go in and contour my face. I'm going to be using the Curve Case palette to contour. I'm going to be mixing these darker shades. I'm mixing these 2 shades right here. You guys see how dark that is? That is a contour, not a bronzer. I usually bronze after I contour, not before. I'm gonna go with some blush. I'm actually gonna use this orange shade. And this blush is super pigmented. I promise you do not need to apply that much. I did go a little overboard with it. I also like to take my blush and blend it into my eyes once I'm blending it out. Ugh, this here. Sort of like blend it under your eye as well. Now that we look a little clownish, but I promise you this is all going to come together. Next I'm going to go with my concealer. I usually use 2 shades. I use this is the Born This Way concealer, by the way. I use Warm Sand and Natural Beige. Warm Sand is closer to my skin tone, so that's the first one I'm going to go in with. And I'm just going to apply this under my eyes, some on the outer corners, my chin. I like to apply some right here. I have like a little hyperpigmentation around my lips, so I like to bring it on the outer corners right here. Then my nose, my forehead. Now you want to go with a damp beauty blender and just blend all of this out. Take whatever's on my powder puff and bring it up here and clean up my contour. Got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been on my empty mind shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up and fire me. Prefer to use my brush to blend out the forehead. I find it blends a lot smoother. I'm gonna go with some of that lighter concealer and just apply it right here, and we're gonna blend that out. Then I'm gonna go with my Real Techniques for a toothbrush, and I'm just gonna blend this out. Now to set my under eyes, I'm gonna go on my One Size powder in the shade Sweet Honey, and I'm gonna use a powder puff for this. I'm going to set around my mouth as well. Wherever I apply that concealer, I'm going to apply this powder. Now I'm going to go with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Mahogany, number 56. And this one I'm going to apply to the rest areas of my face. Look at your eyes, because whenever I have lash extensions on, although these are clusters, my eyes get so oily. I don't know why, so always make sure that you set it. And then I'm just gonna dust this powder away with the same brush that I used to apply the Sephora powder. To put some warmth back into my face, I'm going in with my all-time favorite bronzer. This is Fenty Beauty's Mocha Mami. This bronzer, you guys, chef's kiss. She is everything. And I'm just gonna apply this wherever I apply that blush. I honestly sometimes use it as like a blush, just like that. So pretty. I'm also gonna bronze my forehead up with this. Add a little contour to my nose, so I'm using to do so. For blush, I'm going in with this orange blush from Tower 28. This one is in the shade Culver Crush. This blush, you guys, is so pretty. Just look at that. Oh, I love this. So gorgeous. And then to make my under eyes super blurred and smooth, I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Super Stay powder, and I'm gonna go over wherever I applied the setting powder. And it also brightens your under eye, so if you don't want like a super bright under eye, you don't have to go in too heavy-handed, or you can get a darker shade. But I want like a really bright under eye, I don't know why. So I'm going in a bit heavier. Alright, just so. Then I go back with my foundation brush and just dust it away. You want to dust it very gently though. You guys know what I just remembered? With this highlighter by Ruby Kiss. This one is in the shade Golden Glow. I got this at the beauty supply store like 2 years ago. I don't even know if they still make this anymore. I got it so long ago. I like to really highlight my nose. So the bridge of my nose and the tip, I really like to highlight. You guys see that? Super pretty. Then I like to smile and highlight my cheekbones. So. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Especially over that blush that I applied. This is so gorgeous. And now I have like a super nice glow. I'm gonna go with Juvia's Place Ready Set Seal setting spray and just spray my entire face. And for lips, I'll be using the same Curve Case palette, you guys. This is such a multifunctional case. Like, you can use it for blush, contour, lip liner. Yeah, that's about it. But yeah, 3-in-1. I love it. I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's like the deep brown. All right, now I'm just gonna outline my lips with that. Then I have this nude lipstick from Lawless in the shade Platinum. I'm just gonna apply this to the center of my lips. All right, now that it looks something like this, then I'm gonna go with Huda's Full Filter Lip Gloss in the shade Sugar Baby. I'm going with this light pink gloss that I have. It's from the Beauty Supply store by NK. I love my lips to be super glossy, you guys, so yeah. Okay, perfect. That is it for the lip combo. Let me apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. And that is pretty much it. This is the Bobbi Brown mascara. And that is pretty much it for the face. This is my no foundation look. What do you guys think? I did not do anything to the eyes, so this is probably one of the first time I come in here, and I didn't even add my little signature in the corner, but I felt like I just wanted to leave it plain. Like I said, I wanted like also a dewy look, and I feel like it's definitely giving that. Like, I have a super nice glow right now. My makeup right now honestly looks so stunning. This is my no foundation look, and I think this turned out so pretty. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. How are we feeling it? I just want more tutorials like this one, or like I said, revert back to my other camera where I give you guys more in-depth details on the entire look. Leave me some details down below on what kind of videos you guys want to see next from me, because you know, when it comes to makeup, it gets boring after a while. So it's like, what look should I recreate? But I want you guys' opinions on like what looks you guys want to see from me. So let me know down below in the comment section. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Focus on